CSAI stock analysis next week and onward. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1 minute video till the end to find out. I'm looking at Cloudastructure stock. It is sitting at $6.42, 5% down. Where are we heading next? To be very fair and clear, this is not the best chart ever for CSAI, but it's definitely something that we can work with. That being said, there is now one person on YouTube that hasn't done more videos that I've done, more proof that I've done on my YouTube channel ever, for almost 40,000 videos. Generally speaking, with CSAI, unless the price shifts with a full candle close on the 4-hour chart above 837, this is still going to be a bearish range, and that's still what I'm going to stick to. I'm not saying I'm going to just short sell randomly, but what I'm saying is that if there is a double break, I am going to look to take things lower. It's really all there is to it as of right now with CSAI. And if you want to make more money trading in a simple yet very lean way, then you can just click the first link in the description. It just shows you the sauce. Goodbye.